Hello friends, hope all of you are doing good. I am right now at Lal Bagh. So along with me I have a good friend of mine, Adarsh. So hey, so we have been, we know each other from about close to 20 years now. We were ex-colleagues back in the HP days. So we're meeting after a long time, right?
Yeah, almost long time.
So,
Yeah. Been-
so yeah. So the thing today is I am out on my Expulse. We took a short ride and we went to MTR for breakfast and enjoyed the amazing, authentic breakfast over there. And then now we are at the inside the Lal Bagh
Garden.
Gardens, doing a short video, and I want to show you Adarsh's RX 135, which is a 24-year-old.
23.
23-year-old bike, and he has just restored it. So really love to see it, and would like to share with all of you. So yes,
Good morning, friends.
so others,
Thanks, Vinay, for introducing.
anytime, my
Okay,
pleasure.
So, this is a 23 years old bike which never been restored, and now it has been restored. Very unique in shape. It took at least almost like 6 months to restore with all the original parts, all the Japanese original parts, and one of the mechanic is in Bangalore itself. So still the same, look, maintenance, everything is done. And this is one of my favorite bikes since beginning, and it was something which was one of the first bike in Bangalore from Sagar Automobiles, basically Baneta Road.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we can see this bike completely restored. And this is a own treated paint, basically, with all the butterfly mudguard. And the main thing is, the USPs and the muffler has not been changed. The muffler itself in the silencer.
Yeah.
So that has been the original restored, and wherever possible we have restored everything which is there since the stock model which has been there, especially excluding the ignition which was there inside left side. So now it has been in the middle.
Yeah.
So then own treated. So with own treated means basically this will last at least for 8 to 10 years without rusting also.
Yeah.
And usually if you want to, even if you don't use it also, you can use the WD-40,
Yeah.
the anti-rust paint.
Right.
So this is how it is. I just show you how
Yeah, we love to hear how the bike sounds.
this is sound. The original sound what you get basically.
Wow. Bike sounds amazing, my friends. Bike sounds totally amazing, and it has just been restored, and bike has done about barely 100 kilometers so far. So it's going through its running in period. I did take a ride of this bike, and I must say truly impressed with the level of detail in which it has been restored. Really well restored bike. The entire paint finish, the engine, everything, chassis, everything has been restored pin to pin, and really done very well. So now Adarsh is taking a quick ride on his bike. So we are going to hear the bike, how it sounds, and the flyby. Sounds like music, guys, to the ears. The firing of an RX, right? Any day. So another thing, guys, my RX 100 rebuild is in progress, which is going to be a 1987 RX rebuild in that amazing peacock blue. So here he comes. So yes, I was talking about my RX rebuild. I think that's going to take about 6 months, and definitely once I get it, I'm going to share it with all of you. So we want to show you how the bike sounds amazing. Amazing, right? Truly, it feels like I'm riding an RX 135 from 1998. Literally out of the showroom.
It was like, yeah,
It's exactly the same feel.
from a showroom.
Yeah, the feel is exactly the same as though we are riding the RX from the showroom.
Yeah.
So how much did it cost, Adarsh, all this?
So this entire took if you see the entire timing took almost like 6 months. 6 months.
Okay.
Then costing somewhere I could say 65 to 70,000.
Wow. Okay.
All the original parts. But you need to have that passion and you
Yeah.
have to have a lot of patience.
Yeah.
It's more important.
Yeah.
That is where it is now.
Good. Really nice to ride this bike today and meet you.
Hope you all enjoyed, friends.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
subscribe and give your feedback.
Sure. And thank you so much for sharing your views and importantly joining me for a ride today.
Yeah, thanks for the breakfast also. Here after a long time.
Thank you so much,
Me and
Adarsh.
Vinay are very close since beginning.
Yeah.
So we know those days. Biking days and now also still bikers.
Yeah.
Passionate.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Yeah. Thank you, Adarsh.